Hey y'all, PiecesofNika is back, and in today's video I'm going to be baking cookies because I love cookies and I figure you guys would want to bake some cookies with me. And I also have a surprise for you all. You all know I be hot all the time, and especially now that I have my passion twist in, they're very long, and so I'm always hot. And this company out reached out to me and sent me a fan that you can wear around your neck. How awesome is this fan, y'all? And it has 3 different settings, and I have it on high. And the surprise is they're going to be offering you guys one person to win one of these fans, and they're offering a 10% discount. But in order to win one of these around the neck fans, which is coming right on time for summer, I just want you to be subscribed to my channel and leave in the comments below just one thing that you all have been doing at home during this quarantine time. This giveaway will be up for 3 days, and I would use random.org to select one winner who will be able to win one of these fans and be cool around their face. And so please just be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below what's one thing you all have been doing at home during this quarantine time. And for everyone else that does not win, you can click the link in my description bar and use this discount code that I have listed right here in this video, and you will get 10% off of this awesome fan. Like, oh, it's so nice. And you can adjust the length of it so it can hang down lower or higher. It's all in however you want it. So yeah, that's gonna be that about my fan. In case if you're wondering what is that around your neck, girl. Back to these cookies. So we're going to be scooping out 6 of each one of these cookies: caramel pecan chocolate and white chocolate macadamia. And the direction says to scoop it out. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop, and I'm going to spray my pan with Pam. And the directions basically says preheat oven to 325, spoon desired amount onto an ungreased cookie sheet, even though I'm going to grease it anyway because I don't want it to stick. It says dough scoops best if left at room temperature. A few hours before baking, set the oven timer for 10 to 12 minutes. Cook until the cookie's edges are golden brown. Baking time may vary depending on your oven. Remove the cookie sheet from the oven and cool on a safe surface for 2 minutes before serving. This is what this one looks like, and this is what this one looks like. This fan is really keeping me cool, y'all. I love this invention, so I'm so excited that I'll be giving one away to you all. And if you're not a winner, please buy this fan. It's wonderful. I'm just going to spray the pan, and we're just going to scoop out. One little scoop. And it doesn't have to be perfect balls, so. But I am kind of trying to make it like a little round. I feel like these are going to be so good. Let me get out a little spoon because this is like getting stuck in the inside of this. So spoon that out. And I'm trying to space it out because I know they're going to spread out a touch. Can't wait to eat these. I know they say you're not supposed to eat raw cookie dough, but raw cookie dough tastes so good. And I've been trying not to eat raw cookie dough, but it's really hard not to, even right now. Like, I want to taste it. But I'm not gonna do it because they say you're not really supposed to eat raw cookie dough, so I'm not. Those 6 on this side, trying to stagger them a bit. Next, we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna spin this around, and I'm gonna put the other 6 on this side. Oh, I can't wait. In 10 minutes, I hope go by fast. I probably should be making more than 12 because we greedy around here. Probably should have been making like 24 small ones, but these are like 6 big ones. This dough smells so good. It makes me think about a candle. I'm just kind of balling into a ball.
I hope it don't like flatten out in the whole pan, just be one big giant cookie. Oh, I hope that don't happen. Wouldn't that be funny? Because these balls are kind of big. Hopefully they got enough space to stretch out. Okay. So I'm trying to like space them out a little bit more. But this is the before. I'm putting them in a 325-degree oven for 10 minutes. Let's take a little peek. Ooh, they're spreading out. They don't have much room, but they're looking good. Almost ready. So I'll check back when they're ready. Yeah, so here's our cookies. They did just what I thought they were gonna do. They spread out too much because they were too big for the pan. I used too much. So when you make cookies, note to self, make smaller balls. Don't make such big balls, and they shouldn't spread this far. But I'm going to use a spatula once they cool, and I'm going to separate them with a spatula, and they're going to be good. But I just thank you all so much for watching this video, and please enter into the fan giveaway, and I will let you know 3 days from today that this video is posted who the winner is. So just come back to this video and check the description bar in 3 days and you'll see who the winner is. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Good. Take a bite.